Never throw away the butter wrapper. These wrappers are invaluable and have a brilliant use in the kitchen. Butter is packaged in special foil-lined paper, and this material has a hidden purpose. Tossing it in the trash is a big mistake. Instead, when transferring butter to a butter dish, keep the wrapper. Fold it neatly so the buttery side is folded inward, then store it in the fridge. I keep several in my fridge, always on hand for baking. They're also great for greasing pans when cooking eggs or pancakes, adding a touch of flavor without extra hassle. When I need to prepare a baking pan, I just take one wrapper from the fridge and rub it on the inside of the pan. It's the quickest and easiest way to prepare a baking tray. You can spread a thin, even layer of butter, keeping your hands clean and achieving the perfect thin layer. Instead of throwing them away, you can make baking easier. Did you know this trick?